Florence, Oregon. Barbara has never driven an ATV before. We're off to racing across the sand dunes.
Oh, me and me cousin, one Arthur McBride, as we went a walking down by the seaside, we met some.
Trying to drive an ATV and videotape is impossible.
Good morning, the sergeant did cry, and the same to you, gentlemen, we did reply. Intending no harm, we just meant to pass by, the day being pleasant and charming. What says he, me fine fellows, if you will enlist, it's 10 guineas in gold I will slip in your fist. And a crown in the bargain for to kick up the dust and drink the king's health in the morning. For a soldier he leads a very fine life, and he always is blessed with a charming young wife, while other poor fellows have sorrow and strife and sup on thin gruel in the morning. What says Arthur, I wouldn't be proud of your clothes, for you only lend out them now, as I suppose, and you dare not change them one night if you dare, for you know you'll be flogged in the morning. And we have no desire to take your advance, for all of the dangers we'd not take the chance that you'd have no scruples and send us to France, where you know we'd be shot in the morning.
The new champion of the Oregon sand dunes.
Oh no, says the sergeant, if I hear one more word, I quickly right now will draw out me sword, and into your body the strength will afford. So now the young devils take warning, but Arthur and I, we counted the odds, and we scared.